many builders out there for new construction, and I'm really happy to take you guys along with me on the journey to look at the new builds right here in northern Denver with Toll Brothers. So let's go. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Linda Barr, your Denver North Realtor, and we are going to be going through the amazing collection right here in Thornton, Colorado with Toll Brothers. Now, this was a pretty exciting for me, on top of hopefully exciting for you guys right now, but I've actually never been able to tour a Toll Brothers or even see their work. So I work a lot with Richmond and Lennar, Oakwood, local, but Toll Brothers is one that I'm so excited to be able to get in there and see what exactly they had to offer. I didn't really know what to expect. As you can see, we're gonna walk through it together. Today we are gonna be talking about two collections that are within the North Hill highlights for Toll Brothers. This particular community houses two unique collections, which each having 6 different floor plans to choose from. The first is gonna be your Overlook collection, and the second is gonna be your Point collection. The Hayward model is a 2-story with a main floor primary suite. It can be a 3 to 5 bed, 2 to 3 bath, 2,600 square foot finished with an 1,100 square foot basement. I personally, as I walked in this amazing model, I was just blown away with the kitchen. Everything from the open lighting, there were so many windows, open concept, the dining room, of course, all the decor and everything always helps showcase a model home beautifully because it lets you see what you could create and what the living space could look like with everything in it. The fireplace in the dining room was an added touch that I just loved, and I love that they paired it with the mirror on top. There's just all these extra little accents that are embedded within this home. This particular home had a really nice sized island, great for entertaining, and it also, as you can see, walks right into the living area. Now, of course, this model has a giant ceiling, and cascading down from that is a beautiful chandelier. Now, as you walk into the master bedroom, you can spacious and roomy that it feels, and also you can see all the open lighting. It's gorgeous. And I love how they did the chevron style tile flooring in the master bathroom. Of course, these are all upgrades. It is the model home, but it really shows how you can utilize the space and what you can create and design for your own new build. I also love that they have the double vanity in the master bathroom, and of course the giant tiled shower with the extra window on the side for just more lighting. Another thing that I really liked within this home, again, this is all my opinion and of course my taste, was the fact that the walk-in closet was attached to the laundry room. I think that is amazing, especially if you're like me, if you're a mom, like not only do you have all your laundry to do, but you got all your kids' laundry to do. So it makes it really nice when it's more accessible and right there. I personally loved that feature. But I also loved all the rack, how they designed that particular space for that walk-in closet. Just thought that they put it together really nicely. Again, as you see, as you walk up the staircase, there's still a lot of windows for that much more lighting. It really opens up the entire second floor. This particular model, they made that extra space into a loft area, but you can see where they have all the windows for more lighting. As we're walking down the hallway, you can see that the rooms are pretty spacious. The rooms also have the walk-in closet. Of course, it helps to see everything in perspective because if you're like me, you have kids, so you're always decorating, or I mean, we're always doing a themed room. So I do love the design aspect of them making each room its own individual space. From the top floor, you can see right down into the living area where they have the giant chandelier place. You can see all the natural lighting just coming in. Now, it was around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so you can see where all the sun is coming in, and of course it was a really nice day, so thank goodness for that, so you could see how amazing it lights up this home. Let's even just take a step from the dining room and walk out to the patio. You can see how they created this backspace with the giant fire pit. I'm just in love with that. And of course, if you're big on outdoor parties, if you're big on cooking, if you're big on barbecuing, they utilize that giant space out there to make a really nice area to grill, have countertops on top of having a giant fireplace for, I know my kids always want s'mores, so that is just amazing. Last but not least, the patio area is covered, and then you walk out into where the grill station is and where that giant fire pit is. It's like that design aspect of knowing that you could have like that extra area on top of like the extra big area, and then have your little patio if you wanted. This is how the builder chose to showcase that particular model home. So always remember that when you are touring. The second home that we are gonna go run into at the North Hill highlights for Toll Brothers is gonna be from the Point collection. And the model I chose to take you guys into today is gonna be the Yuma Farmhouse. The Yuma model is a 4 to 6 bed, 2 to 3 bath, 3,000 square foot home with an 800 square foot basement. This home can be either a 3 or 4 car garage. This particular model is also a 2-story with a main level suite. As you walk into this particular model, again, there's amazing lighting. I love how Toll Brothers utilizes window and natural lighting. You will see off to your right is going to be the formal dining sitting area, and then off to your left is going to be a giant study for maybe an office, or you can actually conform it into another bedroom. Now, for me, my most favorite part of this house was the giant spiral staircase. That is amazing. I love how Toll Brothers chose to wainscot certain parts of the walls, how they decided to design the staircase, and how they chose to incorporate the colors. I was just mesmerized by that. I literally have not seen that in a while. And the fact that it was right here and I wasn't expecting it really was just like I wish I would have got my reaction, because it was just like, oh my God. Anybody knows me, I'm always loud, like that's just me, get over it. But it is, you just get excited and you can show that excitement. Once you get past the amazing staircase, you come into the kitchen living area, and again, it is just open lighting everywhere, tall ceilings. The kitchen has a giant counter. They've actually used tile for the entire back wall where all the cabinets are and where your little breakfast nook would be. As you look out to your back patio, you see the amazing floors. Now that is not just a normal slider, and I love that Toll Brothers has this amenity that you can add, but it is what they call infinity doors, where it will open. Those sliders will open, all of them will open, so it just gives you one flow. You come into the living room and you can walk right out onto your patio. As you can see, they have the beams at the top of the ceiling, which I was just in love with. Oh my gosh, I just love how they created that look. And of course, with the beautiful chandelier that they chose to put into that living room. They've designed it to, there's a giant patio and then another patio, and that's not even the patio that's on the side. There's actually another one off to the side where the breakfast nook is, because the infinity doors are, like I said, an amenity, so that's something that you have to add to it. You can see the staircase from the living room. You can see partially the upstairs from there. I love that feeling. It just makes everything just look so big and vibrant. There's giant windows in the master bedroom giving off that light that'll flow you right into the master bath. It is a 5-piece bath. As you can see, it has a double vanity, a shower, and a bath separate, plus a water closet. You will also have your walk-in closet. As you can see, there is a amazing connection with the laundry room again, as I was excited about it before. It may not be something important to you. I thought it was cool that they have the laundry attached to the master bedroom. And that is actually a really good sized laundry room. As you see, it has room for the washer and dryer, plus cabinetry, plus a sink. And you can flow through the kitchen all the way to the formal dining room, back to the front of the house, and see the office. Now we're gonna go up the spiral staircase to check out the second floor. And by the way, there's another giant chandelier that they had stuck right in the front foyer, which I didn't even see until we had gone upstairs, because it just the ceilings, just everything looks so big. And then once you get up there, I was like, oh my gosh, there's another one, and I didn't even see it. This particular model has a Jack and Jill bathroom that joins 2 of the rooms upstairs. What I really thought was cool about this particular space was the fact that in the bathrooms, they have the sink, and then the tub and the shower, and then the sinks. They have it separated for the rooms. It's like the one sink's connected to the room, the other sink's connected to the other room. But if you're like facing the sink, you can see that's where they had the closets. They weren't actually in the room, which I thought was really great for utilizing that space. You can look over the balcony, I want to call it, right off the top floor and look right down into the beautiful living room and all that open lighting. From a design aspect, I love how they utilize the space. I love how they decorate. I like the themes of each room, because sometimes if you have kids, or if you just have like an office, or if you're making whatever you're gonna make that room into, it's nice to know that there's some flow with even having a different concept for each room.